So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, you're most welcome, and for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by and watching my video. So today we are preparing something quick, and it will save us time from standing and you're busy mom, you don't have time to spend in the kitchen. This recipe that I'm going to make today, it will save you time, and also you have a quality time with your children if you're a busy mom. So yeah, so you just throw it in one pot and that's it, and you walk away. You come back, your lunch is ready. So stay tuned as I walk you along. So for the ingredients, we are going to use lamb leg chop. As you can see here, we got it's all chopped, and potato, tomato, carrot, and chopped garlic, cassia stick, and ginger, and our onion here, our chopped onions. This is the onion, garlic, tomato, and then potato, and then ginger, our lamb, I'll use vegetable for seasoning it, so I'll add 2 spoons. The spice, yeah, for the taste, yeah, a little bit of olive oil to melt down the onions. We'll use beef stock, so we'll go ahead and mix it all in together there, guys. So adding rosemary leaf here, and I'm gonna cover it. So guys, yeah, that's it for now. We'll come and check it when it is ready, and our lunch will be ready, guys. What do you think about this video? Please comment down below and let me know where you're watching from. So yes, this is so easy, and to give me time to have time with the kids in the house. Of course, as I got a baby, as you can hear from the background, I got a 2-month-old baby. So yes, this is what I use most of the time when I have no one around to help. Yeah, so yeah, it will save me time from running around, like maybe running after the baby is crying and I have to go and run and check on the baby. And also I got a toddler, he's 2 years old. It's quite busy in the house, guys. So yes, so our 1 pot meal will get ready, and that's it. Just set it on and walk away. Food is ready. 1 pot meals is all ready. As you can see, it came out so delicious and ready to eat. Look at that, rich and full of flavor, guys. Yeah, so we're gonna have our lunch now. Potato, look at that, absolutely delicious, guys. So yeah, that is it. You just pop it in and walk away. Come back, your lunch is ready. Yeah guys, our food is all ready. As you can see, our soup came out so delicious and the potato came out so soft. Yeah, it's really hot. And the meat, it's very delicious and the soup is full of flavor guys. Yeah, all ginger, garlic and the onion added in a little bit of sweetness into our soup. So yes, it's all ready. That's in one pot guys, perfect for the busy moms. Yeah, so if you love this video, please comment and share with your friends and subscribe as well. Thanks so much for tuning in and watching the video. See you into my next video guys. Bye bye.